Welcome back, Henko channel. Check out the custom-designed Spargers showcased in our video, specifically engineered for specialized bioreactor systems. Henko is a professional OEM manufacturer specializing in porous metal Sparger tubes. Our expertise ensures that we can customize Spargers specifically for your bioreactor needs, delivering high-quality, reliable performance to enhance your bioprocessing efficiency. Ready to optimize your bioreactor with a custom Sparger? We can custom pore size of porous metal Sparger, thread and size, and everything you want. Contact us by email at kaihenko.com today to discuss your specific requirements and let Henko provide you with the perfect solution.